morning, friends. It's Miss Boo, and I'm in the cloud forest of Ecuador.
Ecuador is a small country on the continent of South America. Although it is small, it has many different ecosystems and habitats.
I'm here because this part of Ecuador is known for its many beautiful butterflies. I want to learn more about the butterfly life cycle. Do you want to join me? Let's go!
Insects like butterflies have complete metamorphosis. That means there's a change in shape that happens during their life cycle. The young version of the insect looks completely different than the adult version. There are 4 stages in the metamorphosis of butterflies. Stage 1, the egg stage. The mother butterfly flies around looking for the perfect place to lay her eggs. She needs to find the right type of plants because most caterpillars can only eat from certain plants. If they eat the wrong plant, they will become sick. For example, this owl butterfly is laying her eggs on the leaf of a banana tree because that's the only food her caterpillars can eat. To protect her eggs from predators or other animals and insects that may want to eat the eggs, mother butterflies tend to hide their eggs on the underside of leaves. Once the right spot is found, she will lay many tiny round eggs at the same time. Stage 2, the larva stage. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. The caterpillar's job is to eat and grow and grow. In fact, the hatchling caterpillar begins eating while it is still inside the egg. It eats its way out of the eggshell and then turns around and eats the whole shell. After that, it begins eating the plant right where it's standing. To grow, the caterpillar will go through a process called molting. During each molt, the caterpillar will split its skin open and shed it off. It's like unzipping a jacket that's too small for you and putting on a bigger one so you have more room to move and more room to grow. When it's fully grown, like this owl butterfly caterpillar, it will stop eating. Stage 3, the pupa stage. Now the caterpillar is ready to transform into its adult body. The pupa stage begins when the fully grown caterpillar finds a secure place to hang itself upside down and shed its skin for the last time, starting from the head down. Underneath the skin is a protective shell called a chrysalis. A chrysalis is the caterpillar's pupa. Metamorphosis will take place inside this protective chrysalis. The color and size of the chrysalis depends upon the type of butterfly and its natural surroundings. For example, a monarch butterfly chrysalis is green to help it camouflage among the leaves of the milkweed plant. And this shiny chrysalis here, in its natural environment, it is usually hanging over water, so the metallic-like shell helps to reflect the surface of the water, keeping it camouflaged and hidden from predators. From the outside, it looks very quiet, but many exciting things are happening inside the chrysalis. The whole caterpillar changes into a gooey liquid. Yep, its body becomes like slime. Then the cells rearrange to form new body parts like eyes and legs and wings. Depending on the species of butterfly, the pupa stage can last from a couple of weeks to a few months or even longer. Stage 4, the adult butterfly. When the metamorphosis is complete, the adult butterfly emerges from the shell of the chrysalis, which has now turned clear. It only takes about 2 minutes for the butterfly to pull itself out of the shell. At this point, the butterfly's wings are folded and wrinkly. It takes about 10 minutes for the wings to unfold. The butterfly rests near the chrysalis to dry out its wings and to pump liquid into the wings to help them expand fully. This may take up to half an hour. Then the wings are ready for flight, and it only takes a butterfly between 3 to 4 hours to master flying. They are fast learners. Metamorphosis is a hard and dangerous process. Sometimes not everything goes smoothly. Some butterflies will not make it all the way through the process, and some butterflies will emerge damaged from the transformation, like this butterfly here. Its wings are deformed and it's unable to fly properly. But this is all a part of the natural life cycle. Butterflies use their long straw-like proboscis to suck nectar from flowers and juice from fruits. They can even absorb nutrients from the soil with their proboscis. That's truly amazing. Butterflies live from a few weeks to a few months, and in that short time, their job is to find a mate and make new eggs, starting the life cycle all over again. As butterflies near the end of their life, their wings may begin to fray and tear. It's a natural part of their life cycle. Aren't butterflies such amazing insects? And the life cycle that they go through is quite interesting too. I hope you've learned a lot just like me. Until next time, bye!